Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make table fit on one page in Google Docs. Okay, so let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and here you can see I have one table here which cover almost 2 pages. Okay, so I will show you some features you can use in Google Docs to make it fit in one page. Okay, so first you need to select all table. Okay, like this, right click on it and go to the table options, and here we can go to cell the cell padding, or first we need to go in row, and so go to the minimum row heights and you can decrease it. Okay, it's already decreased. Go to the cell padding and you can decrease it. Okay, it's decrease the per cell size. Okay, you can see this is minimum size. Okay, and under the column you can also decrease that column width. Okay, you need to increase that column width. Okay, once you done, come to the margin, make sure this show ruler is enabled. Okay, you can change the margin from here. Okay, like this. Okay, it will be help you to cover maximum space on page and your table size will be decreased. Okay, or you can go to the file and here the page setup, and here in the page margin you can put manually margin like this. You can put like 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, left, right, top, bottom, and click OK. Okay, you can also manage this margin space like this. Okay, so now this is a feature you can use and make the table fit in one page in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.